It makes me want pepperoni pizza, right?
Yeah.
Filming.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Why don't you guys tell me a little bit about this Lego box in front of you?
We bought it at New York, and it has the most famous things in New York. Statue of Liberty, one of those buildings that got crashed, but then the other one's there. The Empire State Building, and
I think it has
the Golden Gate Bridge.
I think it has the Brooklyn Bridge, the Empire State Building, and I don't think this is one of the buildings that crashed, and this is the Statue of Liberty. And we bought it at the Lego store in New York.
Cool, and I want to put it together with you guys. I've never put a Lego project together with you guys before, so that's going to be really hard for me. Do you think I can do it?
Yeah, Grandma did it. I helped Grandma do one.
Okay, and this was my present, right, that I bought for myself at the Lego store because you guys made me buy it. It's a Lego postcard.
Don't open it.
It's the front of the box. Can you turn the box around for me, Nanda?
She said Ananda.
Okay, the Brooklyn Bridge. Let me see the back of the box. We got a taxi cab.
But we don't have that in the box.
That didn't come with it?
No, that's just an advertisement.
Oh, okay.
So
all right, and show me the other side of the box.
On the other side?
I don't know. Any sides we haven't seen yet? This is, okay, cool. Any other sides we haven't seen yet?
We haven't seen this one.
Oh, not for
No, we
0
already
to
saw
3.
that one.
Okay. All right, let's put it together now. You guys ready?
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I open it?
Okay.
Did you start the video?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's open up the box.
We're gonna use my special scissors.
Embroidery scissors from Christmas.
I'll cut one thing.
They're sharp.
Who's gonna cut the next one?
Me.
Here you go. You cut that one.
Oh, this is so cool.
There. Okay, now I'm gonna.
I want to open it.
There's more.
Look at it, Mama.
Woohoo!
Isn't that exciting? Second letter bag. There's 2 second bags.
Oh, the bags are small.
Oh, look, this one's not even a number, so we need to open it.
Okay.
The flag is so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Ah, there's a cloud.
Mom, are you ready to open the first bag?
Silly.
Okay, let's do it. How do you make sure nothing gets mixed up? You put it all together first in the first bag?
Yeah.
You just open the first bag and then with it. And
But
then
there's always extras.
Okay, I have no idea how to do this. I'm feeling overwhelmed already. And I don't like looking at instruction booklets. But I'll bet kids who do lots of Legos as kids
We need 1.
end up being adults
And then 4.
that have really good furniture putting together
What?
skills, don't you think?
furniture turned together.
No, wait, what?
Yeah.
1 and 1.
Because when you get like a piece of furniture from
So
IKEA.
see, it says 1, and then we got 1, and
Okay,
then 2.
1.
And then,
and then
it shows you how to put
4.
it
So
together.
it says 1 right here.
This
So
is
then you
1,
get-
2, 3, 4, and 1. 1. Wait.
So there's one of these. So you put that one there. And then it wants you to get one of these. And
one of
one of
these.
hey, one of these and,
And
then
one of these.
and then one of those.
I'm
And-
confused though.
And then so you gather what it says right here. So we gathered everything, and then so you put it on like it says. So you put this right. I'm trying to explain. So you put that right there, and then you put that right there, and then you put that right there. Understand?
Okay.
It says to put it
Now you
there.
try doing the next one.
Okay, so for the next one I need to find another long dark gray piece and a medium and a short.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then you need 2 shorts though. Okay.
But how can I tell what's what? So is this a long gray piece?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then-
Okay.
So, and then you need 2 short gray pieces.
Okay.
These short. You already got, so you got one of these already.
Mhm.
And then put them on like it's those 2.
Put them on like what?
Can you, so.
Okay. Okay. I will. Slow down. Okay. Okay. I will. Okay. So this goes here.
Yeah.
Okay. This goes here. And this goes here.
Yeah.
And this goes here. And this goes here.
Yay!
I did it! Yay! Okay.
My
Now
turn.
do you know how to do them?
Mm-mm.
No. Wait, what?
I mean, yeah, I guess so.
My turn.
Then my turn. And then Mom's turn.
This was a bad turn. Okay, your turn. Amanda.
I'm the page. Right?
No.
Wait, what? We're not taking turns.
No, we're doing it different this time.
Oh.
This is gonna take a long time, isn't it? About how long do you think it'll take us to put all of this together?
Well, probably going to take about 30 minutes because it's really tiny.
Okay.
So
So we.
if it was like as big as the Chamber of Secrets, it would take like 1.5 days.
Oh my gosh.
That's how long it takes to make that.
Wow. That would be a really long video for YouTube.
Yeah.
We have to fast forward the video.
Okay, how we doing? Are we ready to place our last ones for this one?
It looks
Yeah.
like a skyscraper, doesn't it?
So you have to place these last 3 black ones
Mm-hmm.
down, and then we're done with this bag. They
Okay.
just go along here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Already bag 2.
Can I rip it open?
Done.
Okay. Now we're done with bag 1. Turn around.
I'm gonna rip open bag 2.
Okay, Mom.
Now it's my turn.
So how's it going, ladies?
Good.
Good.
Good. I would say that I'm having a pretty fun time. It's stressful, kind of. At least I'm not having to do it all by myself. So we're doing it like, how are we doing it? How would you explain it? We're alternating. Like I do,
Which way are we alternating?
it's like we're going around in a circle, I guess.
Nada, me, Mom. Nada, me, Mom.
It's not that hard. At first I thought that the numbers were telling you how many rows there were on the Legos or something. Actually, the numbers don't really mean anything at all. It's all visual. You just have to look and look and look. Nothing's like actually labeled.
Actually, the numbers are very helpful.
They can be helpful.
So let's show how we're doing so far. So we made this part so far, obviously, which must be the background.
No, yeah. Background. And then Nada's making the bottom. Right
We're
now.
all making the bottom.
Well,
We're all making the bottom, and then we're gonna have a background and a bottom with looks like the Brooklyn Bridge and the Statue of Liberty, and one World Trade Center, and this other building, which what is?
That was the one of the
Sand?
crash buildings.
No, it's not.
No, they're not gonna put our buildings that got destroyed on 9/11, our World Trade Center. Not gonna put that on here because they're gone now. Okay, are you ready to get back to the time lapsing? Hi, Penny.
Yep.
Hi,
Penny. You wanna say hi? This is our puppy.
Camera, do we be on YouTube?
She's 9. in human years. So she's kind of old.
I need to see something. I think I see what's wrong.
All right, we'll see you back in the time lapse.
Okay. Shush.
Okay, that was like really too easy. Can I do them?
This is gonna be where the first stickers.
First stickers!
It's on Loretta's turn, but Loretta, can you please let me do 2 of them?
One.
So we have to put 4 stickers on one of.
No, I already have them.
I know you already have them. I'm trying to see if I can find more. Well, we're supposed to be putting stickers on that, and that's gonna be part of the Empire State Building. I'm gonna do one.
Empire State Building! That is what it looks like. It looks
Yeah.
like a phone.
Can I do one more?
No, I already said one. You can only do one.
Okay.
I just had the privilege of starting the base of the Empire State Building, which was really cool.
Yeah.
I know it took them a lot longer to build the actual thing,
Yeah.
but then I know they had to build it very much like one piece at a time still.
But this is way easier. If that's all they had to do to make it, then they would definitely rather choose that.
Yeah, just build an Empire State Building out of Legos.
No, just build one tiny one, and that was just like big, actually.
Oh.
Like they build one, and then it kind of like make it bigger with a big mini tricer. Big
What
eaterizer.
sounds in the
A big
background?
eaterizer.
A big eaterizer?
Yeah, a big eaterizer.
A pig eaterizer?
I said a big eaterizer.
Okay.
Biggie. It's biggie,
Let's fast
not a
forward again.
mini.
Okay, we're gonna go back to
Fast forwarding.
Yay!
time lapse. What is it? Finish the Empire State Building. Now we're gonna build the Brooklyn Bridge. Whoops. Okay. I'm videoing you. How's it going?
Good. Actually, we're not doing the Brooklyn Bridge. We're doing the something
Liberty.
really big skyscraper.
Oh, the One World Trade Center?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you know it's a One World Trade Center?
Because it looks like.
We had a little break. That's Ananda shaking the floor because she's sliding over her seat with a book.
We're about to get back to work with World Trade Center, right?
No, they didn't even tell me how many of these I needed. Do I just need two?
That's because this was supposed to be all one turn, but since we're taking turns with these little pages, we're not doing it like that. So just, you can kind of tell how much you need. It's like you need one.
Look at what we have so far. It's so cool.
We've completed both the Empire State Building and
The Trade Center.
New World Trade Center.
You can spin it.
One World Trade Center.
One World, not New World.
I didn't say New World.
I said.
Flip, flip, turn, flip. Ah! Just one other turn.
Okay, what are we gonna do next? It looks like next we're doing the Brooklyn Bridge.
When is it Statue of Liberty?
What's that?
It's a taxi cab.
Oh my gosh, it's teeny tiny.
I know.
It's a teeny tiny taxi.
I wish we had the big one.
There's a taxi and it's about to run into a tree.
That's not where it goes.
I know. It goes in the Golden Gate Bridge, but that's not
It's
that.
not the Golden Gate Bridge, it's the
Mm.
Bridge.
Show me the One World Trade Center. Show the camera. A little further away. Okay. Am I ready to get back to building?
Yeah.
what's next, everybody?
We're gonna build the flag.
Yay! Okay, American flag. Oh, say, can you see by the moon's early light?
Where is it? Oh, here.
Only halfway through my book.
And ta-da!
Now put it on
Backwards, though. It's backwards.
That's not how it goes.
Wait, why isn't this turning? Why is this one turning and not that one?
Wait, that's not. Wait,
Oopsie.
why is it like that?
Because I did it wrong.
Oh. It's supposed to connect. Is it?
And I
But
did it
it's supposed to be like this.
I did it backwards. I did it backwards.
What's next? We're almost finished. We have another taxi, and then we have to put
That's
it
not
on.
taxi, it's a boat.
Oh, so we have to build a boat, and then you put it and then we put this thing on there, and then we built the Statue of Liberty, and then and then the New York sign, and it's finished. I don't think we have to do any more
All
time.
right.
Ah!
You need me to help you? Oh, you want to take this part?
I was sweating. It was so hard. I was like, just trying to get the flag out. And redo it.
Action.
Oh,
So,
sorry.
so next Mom's going to build the boat.
Boat.
So what you
Boat,
need is,
boat.
you're gonna need these 3 pieces, and can you guess how they work?
No. No.
Okay, well they work like this.
Oh, okay. That would have been easy. I should have. That's what I would have done, actually. I should have just went for it. Because obviously, boats are flat on the bottom and then have a little thingy and then another little thingy. But I guess my question is actually only 3 of those got used. This one will not snap on top. It doesn't have a hole. See?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
So that's not
We didn't
right.
mean to hit. We didn't mean to
Okay.
go.
So that's the
I
boat.
didn't know you were.
Yeah, and now it goes right there.
Yay.
I like the Hudson River. Looks cool.
Mm-hmm. What do we know about Henry Hudson?
Ah.
We did a history lesson on him, and didn't he get abandoned on his own ship?
Mm-hmm. He thought that the Hudson River was going to sail all the way through to the Pacific.
Ooh, who's gonna build the Statue of
And the
Liberty?
guys on
Me!
this boat got
Let's see,
mad at him.
Me.
And they weren't really getting
Wait, it's
anywhere, and they decided to just leave him there. We don't know what really ever happened to Henry Hudson.
Yeah. But the
Head.
Hudson River does look cool.
Hair.
Maybe he blended in with the natives.
Dress.
Or maybe the natives didn't like him and got rid of him.
torch.
Or maybe
And
he
add some
drowned
fire.
or couldn't survive out there alone.
And a book.
Soups.
Oops.
Why is the Brooklyn Bridge?
There. That's the Statue of Liberty.
I don't know. Maybe
Now-
so that it can be both sides. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No.
It's not gonna be that hard.
We broke New York. Momentarily. Oh my gosh, that's the fastest I've ever seen a skyscraper been rebuilt. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fire!
We need the fire to our torch.
Fire!
Are we
Okay.
done? What else do we have to build?
We have to
still?
build
There's
the
still
New York
pieces.
sign. Since Loretta built the, those are mostly extras. Since Loretta,
Okay.
built the
Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty, I get to build the New York sign.
Okay.
And then it's gonna be done! And I'm gonna put this on. Actually, Mom should, because we used to do something very special at the end. Woo!
Let's
Now
build the New York sign.
I did that. So now
You
just
put
have to
that on.
snap that right there. Make sure it's in line with everything. things to see those.
These clouds snap into what? The clouds don't snap.
Clouds don't snap.
Oh, they look like they snap. The bottom snaps?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Empire State Building.
So just put it down and snap it.
Okay.
Make sure that it's
Okay. Got it.
Yay!
Yay! No, something's
That is
missing.
actually really cool.
Okay, now we're done.
Whoa!
Oh, careful! It's the most delicate postcard ever.
Ah!
I didn't realize it was going to be this delicate. No, no, no.
Okay.
Oops, that's not right.
Right. You can either come from Brooklyn or go to Brooklyn, I guess is what the bridge means.
June.
There we go. We're all done.
Everybody clap!
We're actually not all done.
We are?
The
What?
sign. Is
I
the
did
sign?
it. I did it.
What are
I
these
did it.
pieces?
These are extras, so that if you
Oh.
ever lose something.
See, my first time, and I'm thinking we're not done. But that's good there's extras. Where do we keep extras?
We keep them in our Lego box.
Yeah.
Oh, like with all the other ones? They just
Yeah.
get mixed in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you. Welcome? No. How do you say it? Greetings from New York! Let's all say it together. 1, 2, 3.
Greetings from New York!
We're in Alaska.
I know, but it's a postcard, and we're sending it very late. My grandma always used to like to send postcards from Alaska to all of her friends. Even after she died, I found a bunch that she hadn't sent yet in her bedroom in Pennsylvania.
Aw.
And I thought about sending them, but I thought that would be sad.
That would be sad.
Well, let's say bye to all of our
Bye!
travel buddies.